Hey Divi Nation, and welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we've been giving away 2 free Divi Layout Packs. And these layout packs come straight from our design team to you, and this week, Kenny and the team have created for you an Astonishing Job Recruiter Layout Pack. This layout pack is designed to impress. All 8 pages included feature astounding typography design elements, custom graphics, and striking color combinations. The pack has everything needed to facilitate the demands of any job recruiter site, including an employer's page, a listings page, and even a candidates page, which is really helpful. So go ahead and check it out and join me in this next part of the video where I can show you how to use this layout for your own website. Before you can import pre-made layouts from the Divi library, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. This can be done by going to your WordPress dashboard and navigating to Divi, Theme Options, and then click on the Updates tab. There you can put in your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. Now you're ready to start adding your layouts to your pages. To do that, let's go ahead and create a new page by navigating to Pages, Add New. Enter a title and deploy the Visual Builder. Open the Settings menu at the bottom and then click the Add from Library button. Find the Job Recruiter Layout Pack and select it. You'll see all the different page layouts that come with the pack. Simply find the one that you want and click to use this layout. Once the layout's loaded on your page, don't forget to publish it. Now continue this process to add all 8 layouts to each of your pages. Now you're ready to create your menu. To do that, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Menus, add a menu name, then click to Create Menu. Go ahead and select all of the pages that you created over here on the left, and then click to Add to Menu. In the menu structure, you can organize all of your menu elements here, and then make sure that you select Primary Menu as your display location, and click Save Menu. Now you're going to want to go ahead and set your static home page. To do that, go to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page and then select the home page with the home page layout and then click Save Changes. Now your site is ready to go. All right, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook so that you don't miss out on any future free layout packs we're going to be giving away. Actually, our next one is coming out on Friday, so be on the lookout for that. Also on Friday, we have our This Week in WordPress live stream at 3 p.m. Eastern. And tomorrow, we have a Divi use case live stream on Tuesday, actually every Tuesday. So that's at 3 p.m. Eastern as well. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in our next video. See you later.